How to use two WhatsApp on laptop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use two WhatsApp on laptop. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your laptop and now tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and download the application further on your device. Wait for the download to complete and once downloaded, launch the application. You will be led to this type of interface, so go ahead and tap on the Get Started button. You will now be shown with the QR code to use WhatsApp on your laptop. So, open the WhatsApp application on your primary phone and tap on the menu option and then tap on Settings. You will see the option for linked devices. Tap on that and then tap on the linked device option. Now, point your phone to your laptop screen and scan the code further. Once scanned, you will be successfully logged in to your WhatsApp on your laptop. And now, to use the other WhatsApp account on your laptop or your second WhatsApp account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for web.whatsapp.com. You will be led to the official web page of WhatsApp, and you will also be led to the same interface as before in the application, where you will have to scan the QR code. So go ahead and follow the previous steps, and once scanned, your other account will be logged into your laptop too. So this is how you can use two WhatsApp on laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.